Surprise, but Tol, you are the best. Thank you very much for putting up this party. And all of us are enjoying. Please enjoy. Happy.
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Bibi Gandang Hari, masayang ipinagdiwang ang kanyang 57th birthday kasama ang pamilya at mga kaibigan nito. Nagpasalamat ito sa lahat ng dumalo, lalong-lalo na kay Mariel Rodriguez at Robin Padilla sa effort na ginawa nilang mag-asawa, para sa special niyang araw. Napakasayang selebrasyon ang inihanda nila para kay Bibi Gandang Hari. Ito ang ilan sa mga naging kaganapan sa nasabing okasyon.
Speech.
I have to make a speech kasi I think this night, as it's happening, it's been the happiest moment of my life.
Wow.
No exaggeration. This is basically really the biggest party I've ever had. And it's the only surprise I ever had in my life. I never thought I would ever have a surprise. But Tol, you are the best. Thank you very much for putting up this party. And all of us are enjoying. Please enjoy. Happy. Meron pa pagkain doon, kundi meron pa tayong pabubbles. How's that? So anyways, thank you, Pops, for coming. I love you. Thank you, of course, Joy, Marjorie, marami pang iba. Di ko na iisa-isa din. Pero yung grupo ni Robby dyan, yung SRP group, maraming salamat sa inyo. You bring back so much nostalgia in me. Thank you. Kasi yan na siya ang pinakagal na natin. Thank you, Mariel. Thank you. Kahit may sakit yan, tumutulo ang sipon niyan kahapon. So thank you. And Mama, this is for you. This is for you. I hope you enjoy. We love you. Sa mga kapatid ko, maraming salamat. Isi, Abuela, Romel, so of course si Roda wala dito, pero maraming salamat. And for all of you na nag-enjoy with us, thank you. And sa inyong lahat, maraming sa inyo, you really make this birthday more memorable.
And you're looking beautiful, Miss Bibi Gandang Hari.
Thank you. Thank you. So let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.